Hello, today we are going to see how you can read an image file in Python. All the reference libraries and code snippets used in this video are provided in the description of this video. So, without wasting any time, let's see how you can read images in Python. First, we use kandi to find the code to read images in Python. So go to kandi.openviewer.com. In this case, we want to read image in Python. And right away I can see multiple code snippet recommendations. Now let's go ahead with the first one, which uses Matplotlib library. Now before going ahead, make sure that you have this library. If not, get it from kandi. The package installation is available above the code. You can directly copy install script from here. Let's get back to our code. I'm going to copy the code directly from here with a single click. Go to my IDE and paste it into the IDE. Now let's take a look at the code before we proceed. This part of the code reads the image and this part of the code displays the output or the image. From here we can modify the input. Now I want Python to read an image which is named as earth.jpg. Now after modifying the input, you just have to run the program. And you have read an image in Python. Check out kandi in description and do follow us for more tutorials.